Hi, in this video I will reveal the formula to make a hit pop song. Coming up. Hi, my name is Willemsson. If this is your first time here, if you like making music and if you like watching videos about making music, consider subscribing. So after a lot of research and calculations, we've come up with the formula to make a hit pop song. Isn't that right, Professor? Okay, I'm sorry, there's not really a formula, but there are rules that apply to 95% of all hit pop songs, right? This is just a guess. Writing stuff on a blackboard doesn't make it science. Okay, never mind about the science. Here's my first rule. And it's about song structure. So whether you're writing your own songs or you're learning to play some cover songs, it really helps if you understand basic song structure and you know the jargon. The basic structure is this: A, B, A, B, C, B, B. A being the verse, B being the chorus, and C being the middle eight, or as they say in the US, the bridge. Of course there are many variations, but the basic structure stays the same. But rules are meant to be broken, so if you're writing a song, go ahead and make up your own structure. What? Just keep in mind that especially pop songs maintain a fine balance between fulfilling expectations on the one hand and surprising you on the other hand. You need to meet certain expectations so you don't lose connection with your audience, and you need the element of surprise to avoid boring them. So try it, stick to this one structure and only deviate from it if you have a compelling reason. Don't feel as if this restriction is a bad thing, because as I said in a previous video, which I'll link in this card over here, limitations can spark your creativity. Second rule is the ABBA rule. Benny and Bjorn once claimed that they included at least 5 hooks in all of their hit records. What is a hook, you ask? It can be anything that grabs your attention, reels you in. It's usually a very catchy element in the song. What's with all those fishing metaphors? It could be a bass line, a melody, an arrangement, an instrument. Basically, hooks are the elements in a song that make you want to hear it again and again and again and again. Third rule is keep your song short and interesting. Back in the 50s, hit records used to be 2.5 minutes. Nowadays, try to stick to the 3-minute mark. 4 minutes is okay. 5 minutes, that's too long. So please don't stretch out intros, outros, solos. In fact, don't do solos. Keep in mind the short attention span of online audiences. So, now you know the rules, it's time to break them, because who needs rules, right? If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and consider subscribing. Now go and make some music.